All right, folks, what we're going to do here is with this 2020 Ford Escape Titanium, we are going to put this in and out of brake maintenance mode. This is anytime that you have to work on the rear brakes, you have to put this in brake maintenance mode to roll back the brake pads from the uh, rotor. So to do that, what we do is we hit the start button without our feet on any pedals. It's going to put the vehicle into accessory mode. Then we're going to hold down the gas while pushing down on the brake pedal. And then we shut the vehicle off, and within 5 seconds, we hit the power button again, and you will hear release your foot and your brake button, and you'll see that the ABS warning lights come on, and it will actually say on the dashboard here, park brake maintenance mode. Now, getting it out is a little trickier. It's similar, but there's an extra step. So we're going to we're going to take it out of brake service mode right now. Okay. So shut the vehicle back up. Well, this is not a step of the process. So let's pretend that we've done our brakes. The vehicle's obviously off. We get back in the vehicle. First thing we do, again, we put it in, push the start button once, no feet on the pedals. We want to then hold down the gas, and this time we're going to pull up on the brake switch. Uh, then what we're going to do is we're going to hold down the gas or hold down the brake pedal for 2 seconds. 1,000, 1,000. Now we hit the start button again and power it back on within 5 seconds. And if you could hear that, it then reactivates the system, and then just release the button and the pedal. And you'll see that the brake warning lights have gone off. The ABS warning light has gone off, and we are back in business. Okay, guys, bye.